Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to another sinking ship video. Today I am sinking my cruise ship that I made. It's basically this is a destroy ship private server. I call this the MS Germania, and I'm gonna do a capsizing sinking survival. Or sinking survival, whatever shit I said. So what I'm going to do is spawn a big time kaboom bomb. And oh wait, let's see, it will hit the bomb. Oh my god. Open up a part of the ship. What if this make it closer? Oh, it just opened up part of the ship. Oh no, okay. Okay, what if I just made a bomb? No, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, oh shoot. Oh man. Okay, let's do it. Let's do something. Let's have a C4 bomb. And let's boop, 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 boop. And let's go kaboom. Okay. Oh, we just opened up part of the ship. Okay, there we go. And the ship should be sinking by now. You can see the water coming in. And let's just destroy this. Where'd it go? Where's the most stabilizing thing? The ship is like sinking by the stern right now. So let me do another kaboom here. Wow! Oh wow, we opened another part of the ship. Let's see how okay. Seems like the ship is like, what's the next? Oh, I don't know. Alrighty, the ship is sinking faster. So one more explosion on here. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. The ship is sinking right now. Oh, it's going up. Oh, it's going down. Like subscribers. Oh, we're heavily listing now. Okay, we seem to be listing badly. Seems like, oh no, the ship is sinking by stern. Okay. Oh, yep, the stern is going down first, it seems. This ship looks very cool. And yeah, we're just sinking it. Let's put one more bomb over here. Let's see how to handle it. Oh, we're sinking. Oh no. Oh, what if I just cut open the stern or cut open the bow? I would do that in a video that I'll upload like a day. And let me just put another bomb because I want the ship to sink. It's not sinking. So here I go. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's do one more. Oh, MS Germania. Okay, MS Germania. Oh, the ship It's sinking. Okay, I'm kind of bored. So this ship won't sink fast. So this is cut open stern, like the MS Estonia stern. Oh, it's completely split in half. Alrighty, ship is split. Alrighty, the second part of the ship is going down. Oh, it's going up. Oh, we got this part of the ship left. And then we go. Is the water gonna come up? No, it's actually nope. I was wrong. Down we go. Down goes the MS Germania, 2025 to 2025. And down goes the MS Germania. Oh, if you want me to do more Sticky Ship videos, like, subscribe, and up. Bye.